The dual capture video feature on iPhone Air and iPhone 17 series allows you to record from both the front and rear cameras at the same time. Here's how to use it. Open the camera app and swipe to video mode. Look for the dots or gear camera tools icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. Select Dual Capture from the Quick Settings menu. The icon looks like two overlapping camera shapes. The main preview will show the rear camera, with a smaller window displaying the front camera feed, typically in a corner. Drag or resize this window to position it optimally. Press the red record button to start recording synchronized video from both cameras. You can even reposition the front camera window while recording. Remember, the output is a single video file. While recording, you can switch between different rear lenses if your iPhone model has multiple lenses. To disable dual capture, simply tap the same icon again and select a different video mode. This feature is built directly into the iPhone Air and iPhone 17 series camera app, so there is no need for third-party apps. Keep in mind that dual capture video records at 30 FPS, and the output is a single file, meaning you can't separate the front and rear camera feeds into two distinct files after recording. This makes it perfect for vlogging and reaction videos, but may not be suitable for advanced editing workflows where independent camera feeds are needed.